If you have to ask me what is the best option for your skin in terms of regeneration and repair, then you have three different options. One is your stem cells, you have your skin boosters, and you also have your exosomes. So, how do you really choose what's the best for you? Think of your skin as a blockbuster movie. If you consider stem cells are like producers. They basically fund and help in creating new cells, so that helps in regeneration and repair of your skin altogether. While exosomes are like the director, they don't actually act, but then give instructions on how to act and how the movie flow has to go. So, exosomes similarly help in guiding how your skin cells can regenerate, producing new collagen and elastin. And last but not the least, skin boosters are like editors, where they enhance the final outcome by improving the hydration, texture, and glow of your skin. Now, the most important of all is choosing your casting director right. That is your dermatologist. They are the ones who choose the right product for you, because if you randomly do whatever procedure comes to your mind, it may not really suit your skin, or the flow of these treatments, if not put in the right way, may not give you the best result that you are hoping for.